Artie McYarty, here with another one. Hey folks, today we're going to put some lawn soil in some areas that are dips and light on the grass. Areas that are kind of dried out and lacking. Let's get some nutrition, let's get some soil, some topsoil spread through. This time I got some lawn soil by Scott's. Yeah, that's right. So check it out. Went on Amazon also. Before putting this soil down, we're going to use these sifters. They use these sifters for things like sand, soils, compost, and it's good because it sifts out all the wood chips, the debris, the rocks, all the nasty things you don't want. And the beautiful part about this brand, this pack came with a 3-pack, and it has 3 different apertures. It has 3/8 holes, 1/8, and 1/4. I went somewhere in the middle there, the medium size, and let's get to it. But there I was showing you the 3 different sizes we have, the variations, and now I'm about to be pouring the lawn soil on the sifter, sifting it out, and you're going to see a lot of wood chips and rocks and debris come out of that. And the cool part is you can just take that excess and chuck it into your landscape mulch. The thing I love about lawn soil from Scott's is that it's very soft and it comes charged with some fertilizer and some bionutrients in there. And it's formulated and made for your lawn, right? Topsoil for the lawn specifically. So I like it a lot. A lot of people, including myself, are not too happy though when they include a lot of the wood chips in there. So that's where the sifter comes in handy. And let me tell you, it comes out super fine and nice and pours in, and you come later on with the broom and you just brush it right on in and it disappears into the base, into the crown of the lawn. Check it out. Look how fine that is. Look how granular that is. That's what you want. Now, if you want to get really dangerous, you can mix this 50-50. So get the topsoil, mix it with leveling sand, and then you can put that into your low areas, your areas that have tremendous dips, and that will help level out your lawn, make it flatter, right? In this scenario, I don't really need to do that. I'm just filling in some dry areas that are struggling, right? This is the aftermath that we had from the winter frost, from that snow, and also some aftermath from this infernal armadillo digging up. Now, he's not a problem anymore since that conibear trap was successful. But know that you can do either or. Lawn soil by itself, or mix it with some leveling sand, and it will give you a good base, good sturdy base, and it will make your lawn nice and level and flat. So again, after we dump our piles, we brush it in with a simple push broom. Keep brushing that in until you see it kind of disappear into the base, into the crown of the grass, and make sure the grass is nice and exposed and sticking up. And give it about a week or so and you'll see the grass green up and start filling in. If you have larger bare spots, you're more than welcome to go to Home Depot or Lowe's or to your sod farm and get those sod plugs, St. Augustine sod plugs, and put a few in there as well. By all means, they're good to go. Gee golly whiz, folks, look at all those wood chips that came out of this last batch. Alright folks, look how simple this is. You just take the push broom and brush it right into the crown of the soil, right into the crown of the grass blades. Make sure those grass blades are poking up tall and proud like an American. Shout out to my wife for an amazing meal after a long day of work in the lawn.